Hey guys! Alright, so we stopped on our way when we were on our trip to Orlando, and we stopped to do a little quick visit at Delarkin. So you guys know about the custom mattress that we had made for us in our truck and to go with the Froli system, and we were so excited to give you a tour and show you exactly how they make those mattresses and give you a little bit more insight. So here's a tour. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm R.H. Delaney with Larkin Mattress. So the theory that you use to build pretty much any memory foam mattress is that you have the softest material on top and the firmest material on the bottom. The soft stuff on top is body conforming and will allow you to navigate bumps and things like that a little easier, but also will allow parts of your body to sink in further and certain parts to stay more on the surface, making it body conforming. So when you sink down in there, you'll settle on the firmer supportive layers underneath. The way that the mattress that we designed for the Froli system is the Froli system replaces the bottom, which allows us to make it softer or firmer depending on your individual needs. Also allows you to customize it. So, for example, if you feel like you need a little bit more support in your hips or your shoulders, you can firm up just that area and it won't affect the overall feel of the mattress. The foams that we chose are manufactured in North Carolina, about 3 hours from us, in a place that manufactures all different types of foams. They actually do a lot of stuff with the aerospace industry, which is pretty neat. We chose the foams that we did because they are hypoallergenic, because they are biodegradable, and they are certified by CertiPure to not off-gas anything harmful, dangerous, carcinogenic, anything like that. The memory foam that we have is infused with a cooling gel, which allows some of the heat that might be held onto your body to be conducted away. It's not like sleeping on an air conditioner, but it's also not like sleeping on a mattress that actively gets hot with your body heat. My family comes from a tradition of making mattresses that goes back almost 100 years. This sewing machine, in fact, was one that my great-grandmother probably used many, many years ago, and we've still got them in operation, have kept them running all that time. The fabric that we used, we picked because we like the way that it looks, we like the way that it feels. It is a cotton blend. If you'd like to be upgraded to something with 100% all-natural organic, we do have that available. Just an email is all we need. Components are glued up and put together. We come over to this area where our seamstress will make a cover for the mattress out of this type of material, which she's got her design that she came up with that just really works great for that. In between the two, we put a fire retardant barrier, which we're required by law to put in unless we get a note from the doctor. And we've actually got on our website a template that you can give your doctor to have your doctor just leave that out entirely if that's what they'd like to do. And because we're a small business and because we make everything to order, that means that we can make things in any size, any configuration to meet any set of needs.
Guys, so that was so fun, at least we thought, the tour of the Delarkin factory and how they make mattresses. We enjoyed it, so thank you so much, Delarkin, for inviting us in and showing America what it's all about to make a custom mattress. With them being such a small business, they're able to make the mattresses more custom. And when we were here, we were in a rental truck and we were sleeping on one of those crappy spring mattresses that come from the truck stop or in the truck when you get it. It's just awful. It's kind of like sleeping on a trampoline, which means no sleep. So they felt really bad and they gave us a topper right there. So we're gonna roll that bad boy out on the mattress and sleep a lot better. So thank you for wanting us to have a better night's sleep. We thank you for making a custom mattress for truck drivers, and we are so excited to just continue in that review and let all of you know about that mattress and what it looks like for a better night's sleep for truckers, not just at home. All right, guys, stay safe and enjoy the adventures. Bye.